Aerial view of Satish Dhawan Space Center, SDSC, Shah, Sriharikota. Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting mission to cover. Get ready to witness the launch of the much-awaited LVM-3M4, Chandrayaan-3 mission from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, SDSC, Shah in Sriharikota, India. This ambitious mission aims to further explore the mysteries of the moon. Cut to a lively host standing in front of the SDSC Shah launch pad. Chandrayaan-3 is the third lunar exploration mission planned by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. It is a follow-up to the previous Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2 missions. The primary objective of Chandrayaan-3 is to conduct a soft landing on the lunar surface and deploy a rover to explore and study the moon's surface. The mission aims to build upon the achievements and lessons learned from Chandrayaan-2, which encountered a partial failure during its soft landing attempt in September 2019. Chandrayaan-3 is expected to carry similar scientific payloads as Chandrayaan-2, including instruments to analyze the lunar soil, study the lunar surface composition, and examine the presence of water ice in the permanently shadowed regions of the moon. The development of Chandrayaan-3 involves the design, construction, and testing of the lander and rover components. The lander will be responsible for the soft landing on the lunar surface, while the rover will be deployed to carry out in-situ experiments and gather data. ISRO has been working on the Chandrayaan-3 mission since the setback of Chandrayaan-2 and has made progress in improving the design and resolving the technical issues. The exact launch date for Chandrayaan-3 has not been announced as of my knowledge, cut off in September 2021, but it is expected to take place in the near future. Chandrayaan-3 represents India's continued efforts to explore the moon, expand its scientific knowledge, and demonstrate its technological capabilities in space exploration. Hello, everyone. I am your host, Mukesh Singh, and I am thrilled to be here at the Satish Dhawan Space Center for this historic event. We are moments away from witnessing the launch of the LVM-3M4, Chandrayaan-3 mission, which will mark India's third lunar exploration mission. Let's dive into the details. Cut to a montage of clips showcasing the Chandrayaan-2 mission. Narrator: before we get into the specifics of the Chandrayaan-3 mission, let's briefly recap its predecessor, the Chandrayaan-2 mission. Launched in July 2019, this ambitious venture aimed to land a rover on the lunar surface. Although the landing didn't go as planned, the orbiter continues to orbit the moon, sending valuable data back to Earth. Cut back to the host. The Chandrayaan-2 mission was indeed a stepping stone in India's lunar exploration journey. Building upon its success, the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has been hard at work, preparing for the Chandrayaan-3 mission. And today, we're witnessing a crucial step in that process, the launch of the LVM-3M4 launch vehicle, which will carry the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft. Cut to a shot of the LVM-3M4 launch vehicle on the launch pad. Narrator: the LVM-3M4, also known as the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle Mark III, is an essential component of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. This advanced launch vehicle is designed to carry heavy payloads, including lunar missions. It stands tall on the launch pad, ready to propel the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft into space. Cut back to the host. Now, let's talk about the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft itself. This mission aims to achieve what the Chandrayaan-2 mission narrowly missed, a soft landing on the lunar surface. The spacecraft is equipped with a lander and a rover, which will work together to explore and conduct experiments on the moon. Cut to an animation showcasing the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft's journey to the moon. Narrator: once the LVM-3M4 launch vehicle successfully injects the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft into a lunar transfer trajectory, it will embark on its journey to the moon. The spacecraft will travel for several days, covering vast distances in space before entering the moon's orbit. Cut back to the host. The Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft's lander and rover will work in tandem to investigate the lunar surface. The primary objective is to study the composition, geology, and natural resources on the moon. This mission will provide valuable insights into the moon's origins, evolution, and potential for future human exploration. Cut to a shot of the control room, filled with engineers and scientists. Narrator: Behind every successful mission, there is an army of brilliant minds working relentlessly. The scientists and engineers at ISRO's Mission Control Center here in Sriharikota are meticulously monitoring every aspect of the launch and the subsequent mission. Their expertise and dedication make such ventures possible. Cut back to the host. As we eagerly await the launch, it's important to recognize the significance of space exploration. These missions expand our knowledge, push technological boundaries, and inspire future generations of scientists and engineers. Cut to a time-lapse sequence of the launch pad preparations. Narrator: the final countdown has begun. The excitement is palpable as the launch pad is buzzing with activity. The ground crew performs last-minute checks and ensures that all systems are ready for liftoff. Cut back to the host. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time. The LVM-3M4, Chandrayaan-3 mission is about to take off, marking another milestone in India's space exploration journey. Join me as we witness this incredible moment together. Camera focuses on the launch pad, capturing the dramatic liftoff. Narrator: and there it goes. The LVM-3M4 rocket carrying the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft has lifted off from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The flames roar, and the rocket rapidly ascends into the sky, leaving a trail of exhaust behind. Cut back to the host. What an awe-inspiring sight. We've witnessed the successful launch of the LVM-3M4, Chandrayaan-3 mission, and soon, the spacecraft will embark on its journey to the moon. Stay tuned for updates as we follow this mission's progress and eagerly await the moment when it touches down on the lunar surface. Closing shot: the host standing against the backdrop of the launch pad, watching the rocket disappear into the sky. Thank you all for joining us today on this thrilling occasion. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any updates on the Chandrayaan-3 mission. Until next time, keep looking up to the stars.